Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect debit card with Google Pay full guide. Open Google Pay, tap Payment Methods, and select Add Payment Method right away. Enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address carefully. Verify the card with a one-time code sent by your bank or by confirming a small temporary charge. Once verified, set the card as default for contactless payments if you prefer. I will explain how to verify your debit card in Google Pay so transactions work smoothly. Pick SMS or email verification that matches your bank contact details and request the one-time code. Enter the code inside Google Pay immediately to confirm the card. If the code does not arrive, retry or contact your bank to ensure online and mobile payments are allowed on the card. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a great read is The Simple Path to Wealth, which reshapes how you think about money and saving. It pairs nicely with learning how to manage cards and payments responsibly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I will help you solve common problems when linking a debit card to Google Pay with easy fixes. Update the Google Pay app, confirm your card supports mobile wallets, and check that your bank allows one-time verification. Restart your phone and try again if errors persist. For persistent issues, remove the card and re-add it, or contact your bank for a quick unblock so you can pay without delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.